As foreign diplomats are on a guided tour of the occupied Kashmir, thousands of the Indian Forces personnel have been deployed in Srinagar, Ganderbal and the Budgam districts, transforming the territory into military exercise zone. This heavy-handed approach is being witnessed despite the start of the second phase of the so-called assembly elections today. Senior all-party Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has called upon the India to engage in a meaningful dialogue process with Pakistan for the final settlement of the Kashmir dispute as per the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. In a media interview in Srinagar, Mirwais Umar Farooq maintained that dialogue and mutual understanding, not war, are essential for resolving the Indo-Pakistan tensions. Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has called on the foreign diplomats not to fall into the Indian government's trap of the peddling a false narrative of normalcy in occupied Kashmir. This follows India's invitation to the foreign diplomats during the second phase of the farcical elections today, aimed at legitimizing its occupation through the ongoing exercise being held under strict restrictions. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has strongly criticized the Indian government's decision to invite the foreign delegates in the name of observing the ongoing so-called assembly elections in occupied Kashmir. Umar Abdullah questioned the Modi government's motives, pointing out the contradiction in their stance. Leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi has made a bold statement in the Jammu today, vowing that India bloc will take drastic measures if the BJP-led Indian government fails to restore the statehood in occupied Kashmir after the ongoing assembly elections. Addressing a public rally, Rahul Gandhi emphasized that the people of occupied Kashmir suffered a grave injustice when their state was divided into two union territories in 2019. Thousands of the people took to the streets in the Muzaffarabad today to protest against the second phase of the forced elections in occupied Kashmir. The protest, organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, was attended by a large number of the citizens, migrants and the leaders from the various political and the religious parties.